Hello guys, in today's video I'm going to show you how you can buy Solana on Trust Wallet. There's a few ways how you can do this. First, click on Trust Wallet. And now once you are here, you want to go ahead and click Buy button in the middle. Here you will be able to buy Solana with your credit card, bank transfer, or Apple Pay. Choose Solana. Choose the amount you want to go ahead and spend in your currency, so US dollars, British pound, or euros or other currencies. Then choose pay with credit card option, and here you have all of these providers which you can go ahead and choose. As you can see, that's how much Solana you will get. So with the ramp you will get the most. Now if you click on this arrow button, you can choose Apple Pay, and again choose with which one you want to go ahead and pay with which provider. So ramp gets you the most Solanas. And then there's also bank transfer. So as you can see, you will get the most with bank transfer. Basically just choose the option which fits you the best, and then choose buy with credit card, and you will be redirected to the ramp and where you will need to basically pay for Solana. Another way to buy Solana is go ahead and click on receive. If you already have it somewhere, for example on Binance, you click on receive, choose Solana, and here you will have your address of Solana, which you can copy and enter into your exchange. But for example, if you're using Binance or Coinbase, then you can just click this button, deposit from exchange, and you will have the option to choose either Binance or Coinbase. And when you click on it, you will be redirected. So for example, I'm just going to click Binance. You will be redirected to this page where basically your address network is already there, and you just need to enter the amount and transfer Solana from Binance to Trust Wallet. So if this video was helpful, guys, make sure to subscribe, and I will see you next time. Bye.